Good morning. Well, this ends our Europe 2023 trip. We've had a good time, seen a lot of sights, but as usual, we're tired and we want to get back home and sleep in our own beds. This morning, a driver should be picking us up at 10 o'clock and whisking us off to the Charles de Gaulle Airport. At Charles de Gaulle, we're going to settle in at the AirFrance La Premiere lounge before boarding our flight. We will be flying AirFrance La Premiere service from Charles de Gaulle into JFK, and then Delta One from JFK to Tampa. And right on time, our limo was waiting for us.
Sir, double check your bags, please, sir. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
It's okay for you? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You have to take your passport, ID, everything?
We have everything.
Have everything.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We wanted to get to the airport about 3 hours ahead of time to ensure we had the opportunity to take advantage of everything that the lounge offers. Once we arrived at the airport, we were escorted to the AirFrance La Premiere private check-in lounge. We were offered champagne and coffee while they took our passports and checked us in. After check-in was complete, we were whisked through security and escorted to the La Premiere lounge.
But this is our first time doing La Premiere.
It's your first time.
Yeah.
You're gonna love it. You know that. Welcome in the lounge. I should have lunch there because Mr. Ducasse is a very well-known French chef, you know.
Okay.
Ducasse, Plaza Athénée, many. Okay, and Ducasse team. In the lounge, we do have also massage free of charge. You're gonna see. Welcome in the lounge.
We tried to book her a facial, but they weren't able to complete the booking for some reason.
Yeah,
Ah.
that's why we.
Good morning, welcome.
Good morning, bonjour.
Bonjour, bienvenue.
Someone's in the lounge. If you need.
Janetta opted to have a facial massage, while I decided to massage my insides a little bit. The lounge was well laid out, very comfortable, with plenty of seating. There's also a designated eating space with some self-serve items, as well as a bar. Towards the rear of the lounge, there is a dedicated relaxation area with bathrooms, showers, lounge chairs, as well as some designated sleeping areas. After Janetta's massage, we sat down for some lunch. Gonna be too big for me?
Yes.
No, it won't.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm having the pâté en croûte, and Janetta's having the foie gras confit. She's got some brioche and some accompaniments.
Yeah, some jams, berry jams, and a syrup. Some kind of syrup.
So I'm having the beef tenderloin with some mashed potatoes, and Janetta's just going to have her cappuccino. She's saving herself for the plane. We cooked. Look at that.
Okay. Is that good?
Excellent.
How's the mashed potatoes?
Can you try the mashed potatoes? Excellent. Could use a little salt and pepper though, but
Really?
other than that, that was very good. But I'm gonna stop right there. Yeah, Janetta has food envy. We were given a choice, and we chose to board first. We took an elevator down to the ground level, and a private car whisked us away to the gate.
I see you are continuing to Tampa.
Yes.
Yeah. This is where you live?
We live about an hour north of Tampa.
Okay.
So we're still going to have a little bit of a drive, but not too bad.
Okay, that's a long journey, so.
Yeah. It's going to be a long day.
At the gate, there was a private boarding ramp for LaPremiere passengers. And yes, you are seeing that right. Ned and I both wanted a window seat, so we ended up on opposite sides of the plane. There was a small ottoman/seat in the front with a storage bin. There's another storage bin to the left of that seat, and there's also a very large tray table. The seat controls are to your left, and in the bin to your left, there is the individual flight entertainment system, headphones, and more storage space. In the amenity kit, you get slippers and socks, as well as a set of pajamas, an eye mask and earplugs, and a set of other personal grooming items. After we reached cruising altitude, we were served champagne and a small caviar setup. For my appetizer, I chose the pickled radish and crab rolls. And then for my main, I had the braised veal shank. After dinner, I requested that my bed be made up, and I settled down to try to find something on the entertainment system. And what did I find? Of course, John Wick 4. After the movie, I took about a 3 or 4 hour nap, and then woke up, brushed my teeth, and had another drink. Why not? Prior to landing, we were also served a little snack. I had a crab salad, scallop, and vegetable. And before we knew it, we were starting our descent into JFK. The second half of our flight was on Delta One, but domestic first class is rather pathetic, so I'm not going to show that part of the flight. When we got off the plane, we were well rested, well fed, and very relaxed. So if you have miles, points, or cash to burn, I would highly recommend LaPremiere service. If you stuck around this long, thank you for joining us on our trip. We don't have any trips planned for the next few months, but who knows, maybe we'll throw in a couple of surprises. Our next scheduled trip is not until September, where we'll be heading off to Africa for a 3-week vacation. We'll see you then.